There's something that I've been meaning to talk to you about. I want to bring you a little bit in the loop. Morning. Come here, though. Good morning and welcome to another week in my life vlog. It is Tuesday, January 25th and it's 11 o'clock. I've already had like 4 work meetings where I drank my coffee and I'm actually not done my water, but I've been putting collagen in my water and trying to make it a habit every morning because I want to be more consistent. I have heard a lot of health benefits from ingesting collagen, so I am putting it in my morning water, and 2-in-1 because it forces me to drink a whole cup of water in the first half of the day at least. So I've been liking that as part of my morning routine. I got myself ready now and I have just been, you know, working through my morning. I have also been making it a habit to actually get myself ready because too many days I spend just like in either the clothes that I slept in or just like not even brushing out my hair. So I just feel better when I am put together. Then I also just spent some time planning my day. So I have been loving the Mind Your Business planner. I took it out of the sleeve right now. Look how cute it is in the little sleeve. This is the Mind Your Business planner from Nitsan Ryder, and she's a fellow Instagram blogger and YouTuber creator. I got this at her pop-up to support her, and also I just really enjoy it. So I've been using it pretty consistently now, and I really like starting your week with a brain dump, and that just like really works for me because you can kind of set your priorities for the week and like get all your thoughts onto paper and then prioritize them accordingly. So I really like that. And then also there's a habit tracker on the bottom of the page, and I have really been liking that for tracking my habits. So I've been trying to take my vitamins daily, which I need to take them for today, and then I can color in the little bubble. And I've been taking collagen daily, and then I'm trying to move my body more. I'm making it a minimum goal for at least 3 times a week, which I eventually want to up that to every day I should be moving my body. But it's also the heart of winter, and I need to be realistic that you know, it's not always going to be possible for me. But I've really been enjoying making this part of my morning routine. I think I want to film a morning routine video just so that I can go through like all of the details of my morning. Even though I do include like bits and pieces in my weekly vlogs here, I really enjoy putting together like a morning routine. Let me know if you would want to see that in a comment down below. But I'm gonna get back to work now. I'm pretty hungry. I should probably eat something, although I don't really have time now and I have to go to this meeting, and then I'll just take lunch at 12. Done my meeting, time for lunch. I have no idea what I'm gonna eat. Let's check the fridge. Ooh, I have leftover salmon. Gotta love meal prep. I think this one is salmon. My food's in the microwave, but look how cute Merlot is. Just soaking up the sun. You're smart. You're sun tanning. Gets so nice and sunny in the backyard and through the back window, even though there's so much snow outside. So he's taking advantage. I'm gonna add some avocado. avocado because I didn't have avocado toast. So I had that half an avocado left in the fridge. In one of my last videos, I got a lot of comments on my Mejuri jewelry. I mentioned that I got it for Christmas and I've been wearing it and obsessed. So I have the gold earrings. I'll put a link to them down below. And then I have the gold diamond necklace. It's just so simple. Previously I was like I didn't wear too much gold jewelry, but that was mostly because I didn't have it. And since I got these, I've been wearing them and I just think they're so like dainty and pretty. Oh, and then I also got comments on my nail polish, and this is a Sally Hansen Good Kind Pure in the shade Aquamarine. It's new, so I'll link it down below as well. It's like my shade of the year. My phone background, my nail polish, my sweater, my leggings. I love it. Marlo, where are you? Are you at the car wash? I'm vlogging. So we have to turn down the radio. Marlo likes going bye-bye. There are so many cars here at the car wash. Isn't sure. Oh, your windshield breaker. Good morning, another day back in this spot at my desk. I made my coffee like maybe 15 minutes ago and then had it sitting while I just went to go get myself ready, and now the foam is not as foamy. But it's the perfect temperature. Also drinking my water. I've really gotten into the routine of it, and it might be because I get to check it off in my planner whenever I take my vitamins and drink my collagen. Anyways, good morning. Today is actually Thursday. It's just after 8:30. I've been doing some emails. I took a shower, my hair's air drying. I'll probably go up and style it and do my makeup a little bit later today, but at least I got dressed for now. I'll be on video in the afternoon, so don't need to worry about it for now. Yesterday was a super productive day. I actually didn't vlog because I got a ton of work done, and then I also got my video up. It was Wednesday, so I uploaded my video, and I was actually working a little bit ahead on editing my next video, so I feel really good about that. And then I was back up early again today and repeat today, 2 more days, and then I'm actually going away this weekend, so away, just a little trip locally. And I'll tell you a little bit more about that later, probably tonight, because there's something I've been wanting to tell you and I haven't told you yet. So let's sit down and chat a little bit later. But for now, I got a really busy day ahead of me, so I'm gonna spend the next hour getting myself organized, doing a little bit of work, what I call my power hour in the morning, which has been really helpful to me. So I've been waking up earlier and getting started working earlier, and I just feel way more organized for my day ahead. Oh, another thing that happened yesterday, my aunt, so cute, she texted me that she was close by and that she was gonna drop something off for me, and she brought me Starbucks in the middle of the day. It was so nice, and maybe that was why I was like hyped up on caffeine, and that's why I could like go all day. I don't want to have an afternoon coffee every day because I don't need that much caffeine, but it was a nice treat and very thoughtful. It was like a I'm thinking of you moment, and it really made my day. It is Friday. I didn't really finish out vlogging yesterday because the day just got away from me. Work has been hectic this week, but it's Friday and I'm excited. It is lunchtime. I have a shortened lunchtime because I was actually catching up with one of my work friends, and now I'm gonna eat pasta salad made with tortellini, my fave. And it's really sunny outside, so I'm in a good mood. I have plans with Nikki tonight, closing out the week strong. Like, I still have a bunch of work to do and finish up, but like for the most part, work feels like it's in a good place. So I'm pretty happy about it. Productive, feels productive. How's your week going? Let me know in a comment down below. I just finished my second last meeting of the day, and as you can tell, Merlot is on my lap because he came to me, it's like a few minutes to 4 o'clock. He came to me like 15 minutes ago and was scratching at my chair while I'm on the phone, like I'm leading this meeting. So I'm off mute and like talking. And he's scratching at my chair because he's saying, Rachel, it's treat time, I need my treat. So the only way for him to calm down would be if I held him. So he's been in my lap just like this. He looks so cozy. You're so cute. And he's been snoring. But we use Microsoft Teams at work, and there's pretty good noise reduction. So like through my AirPods, I've asked before, I'm like, oh, can you hear my dog snoring? And everyone says no. So I guess you can't pick that up, but it's just so funny. I know, Merlot, it's almost weekend time. It's almost weekend. I love you, buddy. One more meeting, it'll just be a fun meeting. I know who does 4 o'clock on a Friday, but it's because a coworker of mine, we're on the Women's Network together, and we have a big showcase meeting in a couple of weeks, like 2 weeks, and we've both been way too busy to do any of the planning. So really, we have a power hour together to just get ourselves organized, finish all of the planning that we need to do, get ourselves set up. So I have 2 minutes before that call. I'm gonna give Merlot his treat, use the washroom, and come back to my desk and finish off. Although I have a few more emails I need to send, so maybe I'm gonna have to send those. And then I can turn on my out of office. I'm out of office on Monday because I am going on a mini ski trip this weekend. I'll tell you more about that after work because I told you there's something we need to talk about. So let's sit down after work and chat. It's 6:30, it's officially the weekend, my out of office is on. I'm off on Monday and I'm really excited about it. This week has been a lot, but like oddly, I feel really productive and like satisfied with the week. So like I feel so good going into the weekend. I'm in a good mood if you cannot tell. I'm just up in my bathroom. I'm gonna kind of like touch up my makeup just a little bit before I head out, and I'm going to see Nikki tonight. We ordered Thai food, so I'm gonna go pick that up and we're gonna eat it at her place. But I thought I would chat with you because there's something that I've been meaning to talk to you about. I want to bring you a little bit in the loop. Over the last year, I've been keeping certain parts of my life very private, and that includes my relationship status. But I thought it was time that I finally share with you. I've actually been in a relationship now for over 8 months. It's just been so special to develop this new relationship and keep it very, very close to my heart. And even like with the people in my personal life, I haven't shared too much, just with those that are, you know, very close to me. But I am very happy. I don't know what to say, but it's like one of those feelings that you just have to like experience to know. And I thought it was time that I finally share that with you. That's what this weekend is all about. It's actually his birthday on Sunday, so we're going up to Blue Mountain Sunday night. We're gonna stay there, and then on Monday we're going skiing. So I haven't been skiing in like 5 years, but I thought it would be a really fun little getaway and an activity to do together, so I'm really excited about that. And I've been like preparing all week. Well, not really because I've been working so much, but I'm gonna be preparing probably tomorrow, just kind of getting things together. I bought a card that I want to write, and just like I ordered like little things that we're gonna need for the weekend. I'll actually show you. I want to haul some of the stuff that I got probably tomorrow though, because I got to go pick up our food. But yeah, I'm really happy, really happy, and I just wanted to share that with you. I'm still gonna like continue to keep things private, but at least I can like share that piece of information with you that, you know, I do have someone really special in my life. And most importantly, I think he loves Merlot just as much as I love him. Maybe even more. He loves Merlot so much. All right, enough of that. I didn't even touch up my makeup, but I feel like I just gotta go because I need to go pick up our food. Okay, I'm running late. I got myself ready and I'm heading over to my boyfriend's parents' house for brunch, and then we're gonna leave to Blue Mountain from there. So I packed my bag. I love this new bag. It's from Lululemon, and he actually got it for me as part of my Christmas present. And it's like the best dumbbell. It has so many different compartments and keeps all my stuff really organized. And then it's also very comfortable to carry. Has like a long strap too. I am kind of running late, so I can't chat for too long, but I wanted to also show you some of the other things that I got for our trip. I got this head warmer, ear warmer. And the reason why I like this over a hat is because if you have your hair in a ponytail, you can put it through, but also keep your ears really warm. This one that I'm wearing here is from Lululemon, and it was a little bit more of a splurge, but it's made with a little bit of wool, and then the inside is like super fuzzy. So I really like it, but I might return it because it was kind of expensive. Not kind of, it was expensive for what it is. I also got this one from Under Armour, which was on sale for $20. So I haven't decided which one I'm gonna keep. I'll just bring both and make a game time decision and then return the other one. I was also thinking like I can wear this under my helmet. I don't know how that works. Then I got ski gloves for us both. So I actually already had these. They're from Costco. They're the Outlast brand, and they have head on them. I don't know what that means, but these gloves are awesome. Like they're really well insulated, and every time I wear them, like my hands never get cold. So I got him a matching pair because he needed new ski gloves anyways, and they have like the index finger and the thumb are touchscreen compatible, which is pretty cool. So you can like take a picture without taking your gloves off. Then last but not least, what I got us are ski goggles. We're renting all of our equipment, but I thought that goggles were an essential thing because it's gonna be sunny, and also just to like protect your eyes from getting any snow, and it's like really cold. In the past, like I'm not a professional skier, I've been a few times, so I've never had my own goggles before. I've worn like sunglasses in the past, but I thought because like we're gonna be covered up with a mask and I don't want our glasses to fog up, I thought that goggles were a better option. These ones are mine. I actually got myself child ones because I have a small head and they fit pretty well. I'll link them down below. They were from Amazon. And then I got him a similar pair, but the black version and adult version because he doesn't have a child size head like I do. So these will be part of his gift, but like his main gift is I'm taking him to Blue Mountain, we're going skiing, and that'll be a fun little getaway. We kind of agreed that like Christmas we gave each other gifts, but for birthdays we want to focus more on like experiences and making memories together. So that's why we agreed on doing something like this, but I went ahead and planned this even before telling him, and ironically he mentioned it to me one day and like proposed the exact same thing that I planned. So it worked out and I'm excited. So I'm gonna quickly throw these in a bag with some tissue paper. I wrote his card already, and yeah, I just have to throw the rest of my stuff in my bag and head out of here. I need to pick up the cake and I'm already running late, so yeah.